Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to quickly switch tabs using keyboard shortcuts in Google Chrome. So let's start. Open your Google Chrome browser and to go to next tab, press the shortcut key Ctrl plus tab. So here I press the Ctrl plus tab. To go to next tab, again I press the Ctrl plus tab, and here you see. Okay. And now if you want to go to previous tab, press the shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus tab. So I press here Ctrl plus Shift plus tab to go to previous tab. Again I press Ctrl plus Shift plus tab to previous tab. Again Ctrl plus Shift plus tab. Okay. And then if you want to directly open a specific tab numbers, then press the Ctrl plus 1 for first tab, Ctrl plus 2 for second tab, and so on. So in my Chrome, you can see total 4 tab is open. Okay, now I'm going to open directly 4 tab. So I press here Ctrl plus 4 and here you can see the directly 4 tab is open. Now I press the Ctrl plus 1 to open the first tab. Okay. So that's it. This shortcut makes your browsing much faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips. Thank you for watching.